What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to multitask using split screen on iPad. So firstly, open the first app you want to use on your split screen. Tap the three dots at the top of the screen, then select Split View. Choose your second app from the home screen and now both apps will appear side by side. Also, you can open the first tab, then swipe up slightly to open the dock. Tap and drag another app from the dock and drop it on the left or right edge of the screen. And drag the divider bar in the middle to resize apps. You can choose a 50-50 split or bigger or smaller view. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.